Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import XML file from your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. After that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. Then it will simply take you to the login page, and from there you have to just simply put in your login credentials, and then it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to just simply click on the settings icon from here, or the tools icon. You can see in the before the settings icon you have to just simply click on the tools icon. Then here you have to just simply click on the import. Then here you have to just simply go for the WordPress. After that it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to just simply click on the import content only, and then that's how you can just simply, here you can see the WordPress export is an XML file with your page and page content or zip archive containing several XML files. So that's how you can just easily import content or export XML file from WordPress. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.